Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix color grading problems in Revid AI. So first of all, make sure that you update the software. Make sure that you refresh to keep Revid AI updated for better color grading algorithms. Next, what you're gonna do, adjust the color settings. And the way to do that is by going to the overlays from here. And you're gonna be able to see the many effects that you can adjust from. And you're gonna be able to see right here, this is the effect. You can add this effect to change the colors, right? I'm gonna mute that video so you can not hear. So as you can see right here, I can change basically the overlays in order to fix that. But if you don't like the color, unfortunately, because the stock footage comes directly from the Revid AI, you cannot change basically the color, but you can change the overlays and go to the generated images or videos, and you can see right here the generation preset. You can change right here the basically the how it presents, right? So you can see right here sci-fi, for example, and you're gonna be able right here to see the stock images with the filters on. So you cannot basically change it, but you can change the generation preset. So you can make it to a different color that you, to a different color that you prefer, right? So make sure that you focus on the overlay, right, to change the effects, or go to the stock footage to change to another footage, right? Or go to the generate images to change the way that they present the videos. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.